So Palomares Empowerment Program was a request by the Superintendent Martinez that we do something for his students. That's what he requested. He asked me if I would be willing to do something for his students, and I said, yes, we will do a program. And I thought the theme of oneness of all humanity and dealing with the whole notion that the schools are really having trouble with conflict, with differences, with bullying. The whole theme of oneness of all humanity would be a wonderful theme that would allow us to do a whole list of activities with this student and lift them up, give them a vision about who they are, what kind of a role they can play, how can they affect themselves, their community, their families, and the world at large. So that was the vision. And we started the program last March with wonderful support from everybody, the administration of the school district, so we can have our credentials so we can be in the school. And my wonderful interns at that time, Natalie Vigil and Valerie Zamora, and then we had the help of other adults who came to help us. We started the program. So this is almost the second year, and I received so much encouragement from Counselor Scott, from Principal Dr. Beal, from Vice Principal Jillian Davis, from the Superintendent himself, Richard Martinez, from his deputy, Fernando Mesa. So it has been very encouraging. And everybody in the office, when we walk in, we feel so much loved. And so the program has been going on. And so I get a call from Principal Beal that there is going to be an invocation and a graduation and a baccalaureate for the 8th graders. And are we able and willing to say an interfaith prayer for oneness and unity? And since we have been practicing and we have been learning these prayers, and actually we sang a wonderful prayer about unity at an interfaith event, walk, last year, which culminated in a church in Laverne. So I thought that's something that they can deliver very fast, so it was short note. So we learned, we practiced this prayer. It says, may you become the waves of one sea, the stars of one heaven. And so the students were very eager, excited. And so we got together, and on that day, the day of baccalaureate, some of the students were able to be with me. And it was wonderful to see the program. The principal, Dr. Beal, the principal was there, and Counselor Scott was there. Some of the teachers were present. The Deputy Superintendent, Fernando Mesa, was there. And the students all were dressed up. They were so just excited. Miranda, one of the students that is part of the empowerment program, she was supposed to give a very brief acknowledgement about why we were holding the candle of oneness of all humanity so much in the midst of us. So she spoke to that. And it was a wonderful experience to see the parents, the students, and all of them lighting candles, which we have been talking about, the whole notion of make this youth radiant. They have been learning, make this youth radiant and confer thy bounty upon this poor creature, and becoming illumined finding their own illumined self, and how would they use their light in their school environment, in the community, in service to humanity. So this was a wonderful event to be able to participate. It was a service on our behalf of our program, service to the school, to the students. And it was a pleasure to be able to serve Palomares Academy of Health Sciences, and hoping that the coming year would be more opportunities to work on teaching how not to bully one another, conflict resolution, and I am hoping to train some of the students to do peer mediation so they can offer their services to the school as peer mediators. That would be very empowering, and hopefully it will be something that they would be able to offer as a service after they graduate from their school to the community.
Mm-hmm.